as you know, this examination was earlier scheduled from 26th February to 20th March. But the part of this examination was conducted in the March, and later on, due to lockdown, because of COVID crisis, the three papers this examination was conducted on 17 centers, and today I am very much pleased to announce the result of 12th standard. So at this moment I have with me Bhagirath Shetye, Secretary of Goa Board, Deputy Secretary, and also I have Assistant Secretary Srimati Jyotsna Sarin. I will start with the slide of last 5 years result of the Goa Board. So during 2015 the result was 88.10%, 2016 it was 90.10%, that was the highest result ever recorded. 2017 it was 88.78%, 2018 85.84%, last year it was 89.59%. Pass percentage from 2000 onwards, you can see on the screen this thing, the graphical representation. Now examination result appeared, that is regular students 17,180, and this percentage, I mean overall percentage of all the 4 streams comes to 89.27%. Okay. Then gender wise result, boys appeared 8,179, passed 7,151, and this percentage is 87.43, boy students. Girl student 9,004, passed 8,188, and this pass percentage comes to 90.94. So in terms of number and in terms of percentage, the girls, I mean they are topping. Okay. Then stream wise result, arts 4,178 students appeared. Out of these 3,564 students passed, and the result is 85.30%. Commerce 5,362 appeared. Number of students passed is 2.82. So the commerce stream result is highest among all the 4 streams. Arts is lowest. Science 4,821, 4,289 students passed, and the result is 88.96%. And the vocational 2,822, number passed is 2,509, and the passing percentage is 88.91. Then the repeaters stream, arts 341 repeater students appeared, 127 students passed, and six students passed, and percentage is 43.64%. Science 286 students and pass percentage is 44.76. Vocational 91 students appeared, 41 passed, and this percentage comes to 45.05. So this is the pass percentage of the repeaters. Then the percentage of the candidates in range. Okay, so percentage range, that means the marks scored by the student, 75 to 100. Percentage 15.71%, that means 15.71% has students have scored 75 to 100 marks. Then 60 to 74, it is 38.03%. 45 to 59, 37.57%, and 30 to 44 is 7.90%. So majority of the students, they are passing in the middle range. Okay, that is from 60 to 74 and then 45 to 59. So majority of the students, while the topping student, that means from 75 to 100%, they are only 15%. Then the center wise pass percentage, you can see the highest center, the number of the student passed center wise is Kujira. You can see that yellow bar on the screen, and the lowest is Ponda. So other centers are represented through all blue bars. Okay, schools with 100% results. St. Xavier's Academy, Old Goa. So this is the higher secondary school with special students. So 7 students appeared, 7 pass, 100% result. So they are a CWSN student with special needs. Mustiford Aryan Higher Secondary School, 76 students appeared, 76 students pass, result is 100%. Then Tempo Higher Secondary School of Science. So both these schools are unaided schools. 67 students appeared, 67 passed, so the result is 100%. Lokvishwas Pratishthan Higher Secondary School, 5 students appeared, 5 students passed, and the result is 100%. And Dr. K.B. Hedgewar Higher Secondary School, Kujira. So this is the only school, the aided school, which has scored the 100% result, that is 129 students appeared and all 129 students passed, so the result is 100%. So like that, many higher secondary schools, they have scored 100% result in the commerce stream. Afterward you can go through the booklet and you will come to know many other higher secondary schools, because commerce result is highest amongst all these 4 streams. Then benefit under sports merit marks. Number of candidates who availed sports merit marks are 3098. Number of candidates who have passed the exam with the help of sports merit marks is 147, and the overall percentage of candidates passing the examination with the help of sports merit marks is 0.81%. So it is not even 1%. Then statistics of NSQ of students. So 35 higher secondary schools offered NSQ of students for 2020, and you can see the subjects which are offered under NSQ of, that is National Skill Qualification Framework, that is automobile, IT, ITS, healthcare, retail, beauty and wellness, apparel, construction, media and entertainment, logistics, management, tourism and hospitality, agriculture, that is floriculture, open cultivation, and agriculture, gardener. So number of students appeared is 772, that is 772. Number of students passed is 720, and this percentage comes to 93.26%. Then statistics of ITI students. So number of students appeared 141, number of students passed 54, pass percentage is 30.30. So 54 candidates are qualified for the HSC equivalent certificate. So along with the ITI, so these students are entitled or eligible for the equivalent certificate. So these criteria you can see on the screen. The class 10 certificate and minimum 2 years ITI course in any trade, With this, candidate has to pass in 2 languages subjects in higher secondary school certificate, of which one subject is language, communication skill, and the second subject other languages. So the purpose of this scheme is to pursue the higher education and employment in the government as well as private sectors. Okay, so although they are ITI, so we grant them equivalency certificate as 12th standard pass. Then one more interesting slide, that is subject wise passing percentage and highest mark in major subjects. The comparative figures are also given in this slide. The name of the subject English, that is first language. Last year the passing percentage was 98.19 and highest score was 91. So this year it is 98.38, slightly, I mean the result is the passing percentage has increased this year, and the highest score is 91. So last year also it was 91 and this year also the highest score is 91. Physics 96.69, highest score was 100, 96.9, it has come down slightly, and again the score remains same, highest score, that is 100 marks. Chemistry 96.93, highest score was 100. In this examination it is 92.85, which has gone down, and the highest score is 98. Biology 98.58, highest score is 100. Pass percentage in this examination is 99.43 and the highest score is 100. Accountancy 97.77 last year, highest score is 100. This year it has come down, 95.42, highest score is 99. Mathematics for arts and science, last year passing percentage was 89.74%. This year it is the highest score was 100. This year it is 87.27, which has come down slightly, and the highest score is 100 marks. Mathematics and statistics, that is offered by commerce student. Last year the highest score was 96.38. The percentage was 96.38. Highest score was 100. This year it has increased 97.12 and the highest score is 100. Score remains same. Psychology, last year in terms of percentage it was 97.22. Highest score is 100% last year. This year it has increased slightly, 97.12. Highest score is 100. So this year also the highest score is 100 like last year. Economics 95.9 last year, highest score was 100. This year it has come down, 92.59, highest score is 100. Secretarial practice 95.14 last year, highest score was 99. This year it has slightly increased, 95.97, highest score is 99. Business studies, pass percentage 93.55, highest score was 99, pass percentage 94.57. This year highest score is 99, so it has remained same. Political science 89.84. Last year's score was 100%. This year it has come down, 87.44. Highest score is 100. Sociology 95.49. Highest score was 100 last year. So this year it has slightly come down, 90.31, and highest score was 99. History 91.47. Highest score was 100, 92.02 this year. It has increased, so highest score is 100. Computer science 98.96. Last year highest score was 100. This year the percentage has increased, so 99.82, and the highest score is 99. English and communication skill, last year 98.55. This year it is last year the highest score was 94. This year it is 96.76. Highest score is 87. General foundation course, last year 91.45, 92 was the score. This year it has increased, 94.35. The highest score is slightly decreased by 1 mark, so that is 91. Kokani language second. Last year it was 99.45, highest score was 98, and this year it is 99.24, highest score is 98. Marathi 99.48 last year, then 98 was highest score, 98.95 this year, and the highest score remains the same, that is 98. Hindi language second, 99.53 last year, highest score was 97. Again this year 99.43 and highest score is 98. Urdu, last year it was 100%, the highest score was 97. This year also the result is 100%, highest score is 97. Sanskrit, last year it was 100%, highest score was 99. Last year also it was, this year it is 100%, the score remains the same, that is 99. Portuguese second, last year it was 100%, highest score was 96. This year again it is 100% and the highest score is 88, which has come down. And French, last year it was 98.15 and last year highest score was 99. This year it is 99.18, the highest score is 100. Okay, we are taking the second. So this is the result at a glance, and now the other things which I am putting before you. So online application to apply for verified copy, re-evaluation and verification of marks in absentia. For this the portal of the Goa board will be open from 29/6/2020. The portal we are opening for photocopy, re-evaluation and verification of marks. Then verification of photocopy of answer book and verification in absentia both cannot be applied. So also re-evaluation and verification of marks absentia both cannot be applied. So for verified photocopy of answer books, last date to apply is 1st July 2020. Re-evaluation from 7th July, last date is 7th July 2020, and verification marks in absentia is 10 July 2020.
Just to throw some light on this, with the permission of the chairman, we have got three facilities here. One is the verification of your answer book to avail the photocopy. Second one is a re-evaluation, and the third one is verification in absentia. After looking at the photocopy, that is the first facility. The students, they can apply for re-evaluation, and under the photocopy, in case if they found their total is wrong or some unassessed part is there, that will be taken care of, and then only the verified photocopy of the answer book will be given. There is a third facility which is a verification in absentia, which is only for 75 rupees, and again the same thing will be done. That is, if there is any unassessed part is there, if it is totaling is going wrong, then that will be attended by the board's office itself through the officials, and then the marks will be conveyed accordingly. So it is our humble request to all the candidates that they can apply for a verification of photocopy, and if they found there is a genuine mistake, then they can go for the re-evaluation. But they should not apply verification for photocopy and then again verification in absentia. It is just redundant. It is of no use. So they can go for either verification of photocopy and re-evaluation, or only re-evaluation. But the third one is just for getting ascertain that you are getting if you don't want any photocopy, then you can apply for verification in absentia.
All these details we are sending to the schools through the circular.
Yes.
Then August examination. So tentative date of commencement of July-August examination is 220 is 30th July. But this examination is subject to the prevailing circumstances at that time and permission from the government to conduct the examination. So we are giving the notice well in advance so that the candidates and school can prepare themselves for the next examination. But everything depends upon the prevailing situation of COVID at that time. The cases in Goa, as you know, they are rising, and then of course we have to take the permission from the government for the conduct of the examination. So then only the examinations will be conducted.
Increase the centers from 2 to Increase the centers. From
Okay.
2 to
Usually this July examination or June examination we used to have in only 2 centers, Mapsa and Margao. But now this year, taking into consideration the prevailing pandemic, so we have increased the centers for this examination. That is, first is PVS Kushi Higher Secondary School Mapsa, Shantadurga Higher Secondary School Bicholim, and Mushtifund Higher Secondary School Kujira. So these 3 centers we are designating this year. Then for South, Carmel Higher Secondary School Nuve, Maria Bambina Higher Secondary School Kukoli, Citian Higher Secondary School Kurcharan, and the PS Higher Secondary School Fonda. Okay, taking into consideration the other difficulties which will be faced by the students at that time because of this pandemic. Okay, all stranded students who were unable to answer remaining 3 papers held between 20th to 23rd May 2020 will also be permitted to answer this examination as a special case. Because there were many students who are stranded in other states like the Delhi, there were students in Himachal Pradesh, Northeast. So they could not appear for the second part for 3 papers. So they will be allowed to appear for this examination as a special case, and that examination will be considered as one attempt only. Okay, and no special, no examination again fees will be charged from them again. Okay, so they will have to already, because they have already paid the fees. Then students with remark needs improvement are eligible for July-August 2020 examination. Students who desire to improve marks may answer July-August examination under improvement mark scheme, because we are giving 2 chances of improvement to such type of students. 2 chances for improvement of marks under improvement schemes are permitted, as I informed. Okay, the last part of this is acknowledgement, and so our sincere gratitude to that the examination was conducted, amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, and government has played a major role in the conduct of this, both the higher secondary school examination as well as SSC examination. So you all know under which circumstances the board conducted this examination. So it is my, I think, the prime responsibility to acknowledge my sincere gratitude Honorable Chief Minister Pramodji Sawant, and who is also Education Minister. Then the ministers, other like the Health Minister Vishwijit Babarani, then also the Power Minister Nilesh Bab Kabral. So their department also played a vital role in conducting this examination. Also the Honorable Minister for Transport Mavin Bab Gudino, then Chief Secretary Parimalji Rai. So he played a very vital role in the conduct of both this examination. Then our Education Secretary Nilaji Mohanan, she was throughout active this in the conduct of both this examination. Our Advocate General Devidas Pangam. So that at that time during SSN the examination was challenged in the court, and even the 12th examination was also in danger. But he played a very important role and enabled the Goa board to conduct this examination. Then Secretary Education Nilaji Mohanan, she was there, of course, every now and then at that time. Then Director of Education Vandana Rao, Director General of Police, Superintendent of Police North and South. So they played a very active role. Director of Health Services, so and their staff. So they also played a major role in the conduct of this examination, because health was the major factor which affected this examination, as all you know. Then we also opened some 5 centers outside the 6 centers outside the Goa, 3 in Maharashtra and 2 in Karnataka. for which the government of Maharashtra and Karnataka, so they granted us permission. So the collector of Belgaum district, collector of Karwar, and the collector of Sindhudurg district, so they cooperated with us, and so that's why we were able to conduct this examination outside the state of Goa. At the same time, I should be very thankful also to the district collector, both north and south, for cooperating from their side in the conduct of this examination. Then President of Principals Forum, all principals of higher secondary schools, PTAs of all schools, they played a very active role. Teachers, examiners, conductor, observers, vigilance committees appointed for this task, and also the management of all higher secondary schools, because without that cooperation, the examination, we would not have been succeeded in conducting this examination. Principal and management of Carmel Higher Secondary School, Margao, and Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Panjim, for sparing their premises for the assessment camp. So I should be thankful to them. And then Director General of Police, as I mentioned earlier, for providing police security force through his sub-offices all over the state for this task. Then Directorate of Education for our support in conducting higher secondary education, and I should be thankful to all of you for giving the wide coverage to the examination, and of course now which you are going to do tomorrow, you are going to publish our result. So for that, so I remain thankful to all of you. So on behalf of myself, then Secretary, Deputy Secretary Bharat Chopade, and Srimati Josna Sarin, and the board staff. So thank you very much.
What is the status of cultural marks were supposed to be?
No, cultural marks, I mean, last year it was not introduced. So now this year we have to see.
So one more question. Now you have announced the result. Now what about the students, when they will get the mark sheets, and how it will be? It will be online?
No, the mark sheet will be sent to the schools. Mark sheet will be sent to the schools. Okay, I think by 7th July, or even before that we are trying, because we are also facing certain difficulties as far to procure the stationery and all other things from the other states. The mark sheet are not printed here, so they are printed far off from Goa.
And to add to this, the university, they have issued a circular that by 15th of July their admission will begin. So there is no hurry as such, but we will try to give the mark sheet as early as possible by maintaining all the protocols. There is absolutely no worry about it.
So online it will be available?
No,
Respective schools.
no. Now the students can take out the internet copy now.
Okay, it's available now.
Yes,
Yeah, it's available now. But authenticated certificates will be sent after somewhere
The entire result sheet we are giving them on Monday.
online.
Now also they can download the result sheet, but school wise the consolidated mark sheet will be sent to them by mail, and we have tried our level best that nobody will come to the board. We will give them all the facilities at their school itself. Even this online facility for verification, they can fill up the form, for which we have opened a different portal through which they can log on and they can send their request. Even payment, gateway payment also, e-payment will be there. So schools don't have to come again and again to the board's office.
So this authenticated certificate by 7th July we can see.
Yeah, 7 July. Even we are trying to, suppose if we receive this stationery, yeah. But that is the deadline which we have kept, because all these things which are going on, so we are finding it difficult to get the stationery.
सर कोणी एक्झाम जाऊन बाहेर असलेले त्यांना ते कसे ते
आता सांगा.
कितने नंबर आते कितने students?
आणि
Right now, I mean,
एक चढ ना ते भुरगे एक 50 ते 60 पर्यंत भुरगे असतात ते.
hardly. Stranded in other states could be.
म्हणजे प्रूफ करचे पडतात ना त्यांना
ना आमच्याकडे
No,
डेटा
no,
असा
no. Data, we have data.
डेटा असा
How
कोण
are
बसवून
you to verify that they are out of state?
we have got a full data. That will have to ascertain, no?
Certain
That will have
whether
to
they have
ascertain.
come to Goa or not, that we have to see.
And we'll take
That
the help of head of the
information we'll
institution.
get from the school.
July, August is supplementary.
Yeah, it is supplementary.
So it is to students
Yeah,
Plus those who are
stranded, yeah. They are conducting all subjects. The is still the correction is going on. So right now I am not in a position to say anything about the 10th standard result. Still it is going on.
So this online verification is something new.
What's a-
Online verification.
Yes, this is something new that we have introduced it this year. This is only because of this pandemic situation. So otherwise there used to be a queue, like people used to come and they were supposed to make a payment or submit their forms. Now everything will be, yes, to the now everything is online.
Entire exercise would be online, applying and
Yes. And only those of photocopies we will make a special provision so that the photocopies will reach their schools. Only schools representative we are going to entertain. And it is our humble request to all the parents and the students not to come to the board, as they have been very cooperative for this examination. And hope they will come. They will not come to our office.
So
As of
standard students approximate कितले अशे तुमकां idea?
What I feel is that only after filling the forms we will
Higher
come
sec-
to know.
higher secondary
Around
not much.
some 40-50
even less than that. For higher secondary, it was still less.
who are stranded far off from Goa. That is Delhi, Himachal Pradesh. Now they might have arrived in Goa and they can appear for
for these three subjects, no?
Yes.
three subjects.
They were
Yeah.
not major subjects.
No. That is Marathi, political science and geography.
Oh.
For all other subjects they appeared because the examination was conducted before the lockdown. So some students missed these three papers.
Despite of our effort in opening the centers at Karwar, 12th standard student they appeared at Karwar, 12th standard student they appeared at Khanapur Cholla Ghat, even they appeared at Satarda, and some they appeared at Bedshi school. And there is every possibility that some might have left Goa and they might have gone to their native place like Himachal Pradesh or maybe Delhi. We received some call from there. 1 or 2 cases may be there, or maybe in Mumbai also.
क्वेश्चन पेपर सेटअप होतून तुमकां एक्सरसाइज
होय.
No, cultural marks, we are waiting for the cultural marks policy from the Directorate of Art and Culture. No, see, yeah, but they have to give us the approved, this cultural marks policy to go aboard. Now, last year we could not include the cultural marks because there was no provision because of this. So now this year, suppose if it is there, then we will include the cultural marks. Notification is required.
सो क्वेश्चन पेपर आधी सेटअप करपाक पडटलो 40-50 भुरग्यां लागून सो फुल एक्सरसाइज परत हे करपाक पडपाक ना
Yeah.
आणि मे बी ड्यू टू द
नाही आमच्याकडे कसे असतं ना, आमच्याकडे एक पेपर्स असतात, एक सुबेस पेपर्स काढलेले असतात. सो that will be handled by the board is prepared.
ऑलरेडी बीन रिमूव्ड इट विल
No, board is prepared for that action.
For that we are always we
We
are
have to set काढचो पडटलो किंवा आणि असे किती असतात.
on question paper we cannot come out openly because it's a confidential. Okay, thank you very